You're looking for a street lamp that stays on for about 30 seconds and shuts down. Walking towards the PIR sensor will trigger from a distance. We're going to show you what this street lamp is about, how to set up, and all about the street lamp. This is a mini street lamp from Atoechie with 28 luminous surfaces. It is 336 LED beads with the remote control wireless that you hang up about 8 to 15 feet up in the air that has a number throw. It has 4 types of modes: a dusk to dawn, a timer, mode 1, which is 30% on and 100% lit, and 100% off to 100% lit with the PIR sensor that will light up when walking in as security to the area. What we're going to do is unbox and show you what you get inside the package. All laid out on the table with 3-inch bolts that you can place on the pole, mount on the wall, a wooden area with optional lag bolts. You get supplied regular bolts, washers, and nuts. You have masonry anchors. You have a bolt to set the pole to the light, and 2 included AAA batteries and a nut to lock down. This is the remote control with an on and off, and the auto on 25, 50, 75, and 100% with a 2, 4, and 5 hour timer, mode 1 and mode 2. We'll go over in the evening hours and show you how the light performs. When you get your light, please remember to peel off the protective film. You have a charging indicator area that goes from red to green. The light turns on and we are at 3%, 25, 50, 75, and then 100% and a green. On the back of the unit will be your solar array that collects the sun all day, charges, and runs all night. 6 to 8 hours to charge, 8 to 12 or more hours of run time. In this particular area, we have drain holes. So when the water goes in, it will drain out through the bottom. Your bolt and pole goes through this hole. To turn your light on, simply hit the button once, a long press, to set the light up, and then the remote control can be used all along. These are your LED bead. These are your LED COB light beads. They are in increments for a nice wide throw. This is a quick demonstration of hanging up the pole, placing on, and locking down with the bolt and nut. Slip the bolt through and lock down. With the lights off, hitting the on button, we have 25, 50, 75, and 100, and the auto. We have the mode on of number 1 and allow to set up for 30 seconds. As the light dims down after 30 seconds, as you start to walk into the PIR sensor, the light triggers 30% to 100%, and the same thing goes with mode number 2. As the light dims down and off, as soon as you move, it triggers on. And the next one would be simply set it to automatic at 25%. Dusk to dawn, the light will come on every night at 25%. If you want the light to come on with the timer, every night set the timer up for 3, 5, or 4 hours. And then adjust the percentage. Let's go hang this up outside. As you see, we're charging 25, 50, 75%. It'll go up to 100% when we're fully charged, blinking and then a green light. So we'll go and hang up. We got a spot we're going to hang up and secure it down. As we're charging, we're going to turn our light on. It acknowledges for the evening hours. And to manually turn off, you just hit the off button. So we're all set up for the evening hours. If you want to make sure it's on, just hit the on button, point it. And there we are. We'll come back and show you what it looks like. This street light lit up. We're going to set it to mode number 1 and wait 30 seconds so it could dim down to 30%. As it dims down and you walk into its sensor path, the light will trigger on. We're going to set it to mode number 2. Let it dim down to 0 to 100%. As we walk into the PIR sensor, it triggers to 100%. The street lamp is on dusk to dawn, 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%, and setting it on for 3 hours. Next day, the street lamp will come on, dusk to dawn, setting it up to the mode 1 or mode 2 of your choice for security, for backyards, fronts, boatyards, camping, RVs, wherever you need to have light, where no electricity is around. 6 to 10 hours are fully charged in the sun, 6 to 8, and 8 to 12 hours or longer for runtime. I hope you enjoy your street lamp if this is what you are looking for.